Here's my harbor-free tire pump I bought a while back. And I hit the button here and it's not running. Why? I connect this to my car charger, the power supply or whatever. But I'm gonna find out what's going on and fix it. Here you see connect to the power supply of my car and it's not running. Nothing. The car is on. And what's going on? So you can see the one on the right is broken. And the one on the left is the one I'm going to replace it with. And they are 20 amps. 20, the broken one. What causes the fuse blown? So first I'm going to open this up, find out what's going on. Oh, see, when this connect to here, this the power. But if these two come together, it goes short. And why is like this? Oh, it's broken here. See that? There's a piece of plastic. Here, some must be holding this. So when this moves, it touches it. But that piece of plastic is broken off. See that? Right there. So I have to, there's no other way to fix it. The only way to replace this part. Okay, I bought this one from Amazon or eBay. And the difference is this is a lot more solid build compared to this piece of crap. And here, I have a spring inside here. And just a little push and break the plastic piece over there, and this came off. So let's open up, take a look. You hold by a little screw and use a Phillips driver to open it up. There's a fuse. There's a spring. Open the case in half. Inside we see a little resistor, and also the middle part I can solder the wire there, and the other wire to the outside next to the resistor. It's a pretty simple device. Let's do the soldering next. This system is way much better because it comes with a fuse, probably a 10 or 20 amp fuse and a spring compared with this one, and it's not that secure. So what I'm going to do is get my soldering iron, remove this, and this is the center one, so I'm connected to here, and then the one on the side I'm connected to here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is cut this off. remember the one on the left is the center one. So I'm going to put a mark on it. Now I can cut the wire without confusing which one is the center, which one is the side. So the center and the side. So before solder it together, make sure I put this in first. I'm just going to go this way, so let's go through this. And then I'm going to solder it. So next step, I'm going to put it on here. Okay, the middle one is solder, and now prepare for the one on the side. Just add more solder to make sure that it won't come off. It's done, doesn't look that bad at all. So you see I solder those together. The next thing is to is put them together. First is spring. Then this. Then the fuse. Then put the cover back. Make sure the hole matches for the screw. The fuse still here. It's fine. Cap. Then put the cap on top of it and tighten it up. last to put the screw in. Okay, tighten it. Alright, take it to a test. Okay, moment of truth. I'm gonna plug it in. See the red light's on, and there's power. And turn the thing on. Alright, it works. Awesome, it works. So that's how I fixed the broken Harbor Freight tire inflator, only for $3 or $4 instead of buying the whole thing for 40 bucks. Alright, thanks for watching. Please hit the like button. Thank you.